Today I walk home alone.
Are you excited, Lily?
Yes, but I am also a little nervous.
That's okay. It's normal to feel nervous. You can do it. It was time to go home.
See you tomorrow!
Hi, sweetie. Do you remember the way home?
Yes, Mom. Turn left at the park, then walk past the bakery, then turn right on Maple Street.
That's right. I'm so proud of you.
Are you sure I can do this alone? Alone?
Yes, I trust you. And I will be waiting at home. I will be waiting at home. Call me if you need anything, okay?
Okay, Mom.
For the first time, Lily was alone.
Okay. Turn left at the park. Come on! It's your turn!
Lily felt proud. But soon, something happened.
Wait, is this Maple Street? Is this Maple Street? Oh no, I don't know which way to go.
Lily felt lost. Her heart was beating fast.
Don't worry. Think, Lily, think. I want to try first. The bakery! Mom said past the bakery.